Yeah, hi, I'm Arun Tyagi and we run this company since last 22 years. We make ready-made pools and prefabricated swimming pools along with spa and all. Right now what we are showing you is like this is a plunge pool kind of thing which measures around 7 feet by 5 feet and depth is like 2.5 feet. We got the filtration system into this tub. The same water will run for the entire year. You don't need to replace the water or for the entire year. So it's above ground and below ground as well. So these are very good for individual houses, hotel rooms, villas and other areas. You can add a decking into WPC. This is basically for small pools. We also have some other models of the same size, like olive pool, which is 21 by 11 by 5. Then we have a rectangular pool in various sizes. These are all made of fiberglass and we give the structural warranty for 15 years for every pool. So we have the maximum number of the models in India and I must say in Asia. And another kind of pool is like liner pool. If pool are big and you need for resort, societies and everything. So these are basically prefabricated pools. Now coming to the point how you connect us, we have two factories in India. One in North India which is located in Ghaziabad. Our head office is in Noida and one office is in Chennai, and second factory is coming up near Chennai, around 40 kilometers from there. So from there we will cater south and west. From here we are catering entire north and east. We got a 10-20 dealers existing various cities, and we are coming up with a new scheme where we can add around 50 new dealers into it. If somebody want to add on this, then you can visit our website www.com ardevpools.com or the swimmingpools.in. My number is 9810101913. Thank you.
ये स्विमिंग पूल है एंड ये हम स्विमिंग पूल अपने घर के लिए, बेसमेंट के लिए, टेरेस के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं। फैमिली के साथ हम इसमें फ़न कर सकते हैं बच्चों के साथ, और जितना हो सके लाइक पूल पार्टी होती है हमारे, लाइक होली वगैरह में भी हम इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं। बहुत ही अच्छा पूल है। यू कैन एंजॉय इन दिस विद योर फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स एंड ऑल।